warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland. Watapsco River including Baltimore Harbor until 6 p.m. At 4:52 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Fort Smallwood State Park, moving at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessels. Locations and tactics include Fort Smallwood State Park, Love Point, Pinehurst, North Point State Park, Hartwell Island, Magazine River, Baltimore Light, Gibson Island, Bodkin Point, Dorchester Beach, Pools and 7-foot goals. Move to Safe Harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.